After more than 20 years providing interior design and construction project management services to Calgary, we are so excited to announce that we are growing. We have now added new home construction to the KHD offerings. This growth brings with it a new name, KHD Homes. We will still offer exceptional design services under Huga Home Design and broaden scope of new builds and renovations under KHD Homes. We've been licensed as a new home builder and working on planning projects since 2023. Our flagship custom home construction is underway.
And this is it.
We will be sharing updates on our refreshed website at KHD Homes, so check them out. We have been delighted through Krista Hermanson Design and Huga Home Design to bring Huga to Calgary. Now, with the addition of KHD Homes, we will be able to build from that Huga-focused viewpoint, enabling us to create beautiful environments to wrap coziness around the people that we're building for. Huga is about connection, human connection. And what we are thrilled to be able to bring to the custom new build process is this Huga-centered approach that thinks about your family, how you live, and how that space is going to create moments of connection for your family. This is the Huga difference. We think the most important thing a builder can do, besides building homes, is to listen. So, listening. And listening again and asking clarifying questions and making sure that we fully understand not just how your home should work, but how you want your home to feel. We don't impose our view on you and your family. We actually listen to what is going to work for you. This new chapter is thrilling for us, and we look forward to co-creating homes that bring the cozy, the calm, the connection, and the gorgeous to Calgary.